Introduction to Jira Software. First of all, let's check what is Jira Software and what are the benefits of using Jira. Jira is a proprietary issue tracking product developed by Atlassian that allows bug tracking and agile project management. Some of the benefits of using Jira Software are: a collaborative approach towards teams, to track issues without much hassle, easy to synchronize data, keep track of issues shared between teams, field mapping and automated synchronization. Classify the issues and filter them based on priority, type, status, and events. Once you logged into the Jira software, you will be directed to this Jira dashboard. Here you can have a glance at your projects. Before we jump into time tracking, let's have a look at the project types we mainly used in our company. In the Create New Projects section, we can select any type of template we are willing to use. At Archmage, we usually use two types of projects, which are Scrums and Kanbans. The key difference between Scrum versus Kanban is that Scrum describes an iterative, spread-based framework that helps small teams solve complex problems, while Kanban is more singularly concerned with how work items flow through the development process. Both Kanban and Scrum are pull-forward frameworks. You don't start something new until you finish something else. The big difference is things in Kanban are done when they're done, while Scrum uses sprints to break down the work, creating a much more predictable environment. Kanban is better suited to long-term projects requiring multiple changes while retaining a stable priority. Now, let's check how we track our time logs for each task in the project. You can simply direct to the project by clicking on the project menu item, and it will list down recently accessed projects and an option to access the All Project list. In the project list, you can select the project you have assigned and it will direct you to the relevant project Scrum or Kanban board. The Jira Scrum board is the tool that unites teams around a single goal and promotes iterative, incremental delivery. It showcases all the tasks added to the current sprint. The Scrum board will visualize the project status, including what are the tasks on the to-do list, what are the tasks that the team is currently working on, what are the tasks that are ready for QA testing, and the tasks which are fully completed. Team members can update their daily time logs relevant to each task by clicking on the task that they have working on. The task details pop-up contains all the information related to the task, and employees can simply log their timing by clicking on the section Time Tracking. Time Tracking pop-up will enable an input field to enter the time spent for the relevant task, and the user should log their timing in the correct format showing below the time spent input field. If the team member wants to add a special note regarding their time logs, they can include it in the description field. Once all the details are filled, click on the Save button and it will update the time tracking of the selected task. Users can also change the status of a task using this window. Scrum board also provides functionality to users for changing the status of a task by simply dragging and dropping the task between columns, and it will auto-update the status of the task by the dropped column name.